If you want to stop getting messages on WhatsApp but still stay connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi on your any iPhone, for that first you have to open up your WhatsApp, then head over to your settings, scroll down and go to storage and data. Now here you will see an option called proxy. Go for it, select setup proxy. Now in the proxy address field, you have to enter a server. I'm using Google server. Don't worry, it's safe. Now hit save. Once saved, you must have to switch on the use proxy toggle. And that's it. Now you will notice it says connecting at the top. This means WhatsApp is blocked from sending or receiving messages without turning off your cellular data or Wi-Fi. So you are still online but WhatsApp is completely turned off. And lastly, if you want to turn on your WhatsApp again, you have to go to the same settings and then turn off your proxy, and you can delete the server from here. And this will fix your WhatsApp again. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.